Ooh, ground type tier list. Cause why not? I don't know. I feel like Sandshrew is pretty decent. I'm saying B plus. I like Sandslash a bit. Saying A plus, and I guess I'll go A and A plus for Nidoqueen and Nidoking. I'm still a little bit mad at Nidoqueen for ruining the shiny line a little bit, but Diglett, he's kind of. They're both kind of funny. I don't like Dugtrio as much. Just seems kind of lazy, and I don't really like. I'm gonna go right there. Geodude, just a rock with arms. They're fine. Golem's fine. Onyx is cool, but I wish it was more powerful. Cubone's really cool. I'm not a big Marowak fan. Rhyhorn, yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. And I do really like. Yeah, I'm gonna go A plus. Wooper S, first S. You're supposed to be here. Okay. Quagsire, I'll go A plus. No, I'll go A. I don't like it that much. I'll go B for Gligar. It's kind of weird. Steelix, I'll go A plus. Mega Steelix, I'll go B plus. It's a little weird, but it's all right. Swinub, I guess it's B plus. It's fine. I like Mamoswine a lot more than them. I do really like Phanpy. I'm putting Donphan in S. Larvitar, I guess it's kind of cool. I don't really like Pupitar. I do like Marshtomp and Swampert. I'm doing A for Marshtomp, A plus for Swampert. That seems fair, right? And the buff one, it has its appeal to it. I'm putting A. I do not give a crap about this thing. Don't really care for Numel that much. I do like Camerupt. And I really like Mega Camerupt. It's a volcano, man. Underrated Mega Pokemon. Trapinch is kind of cool. Do A. Vibrava's pretty boring. Putting B. Flygon's really cool. I'll do A for Flygon too. I kind of like him about the same as Trapinch. Trapinch is it's a trap. Well, creates a trap in the ground, tries to eat his prey. I think it's kind of cool. Not a big fan of Barboach. I think it's underwhelming. And I think you're mid. Wishcash isn't any better. Baltor, underwhelming. And your Groudon's cool. And it's Mega Form, I'm putting A plus for both of them. Torterra, it's pretty cool. I guess I put A. No, you can burn. Gastrodon's pretty cool. I'll put B plus for both of them. Gibble, I'll go A. And Gabite, I'll go B plus. And Garchomp, I'll do A plus. I'll do A plus for the Mega. It has Scythe for hands. How do you not like it? Hippopotas. I'm putting B on both of them. I do like Rhyperior. That's a bit controversial, but I do think Rhyperior is strong. It's not perfect, but I'm putting it A plus. And Gliscor is B plus. Mamoswine, I guess I'll do A. Drillbur makes sense for a ground type. I don't like it. I don't like Drillbur Escudrill a lot. I'm saying B and B plus. Sandile, I'll do B plus. I'll do A for Crocodile. It's cool, but like I don't think it's barely. There's some really good Pokemon at A. I don't like it a ton. Yeah, we'll put a B plus. Galar Yamask. For ground, I don't know about ground. Stunfisk is cool. Galar form is even cooler. Golett. Yeah, I'll do A and A plus. They fit more the ghost type. You can go in A, and I don't like the way you're looking at me for Therian form. I don't like you. I'm not. I don't. Yeah, they don't have much of appeal to them. B plus, and I guess both of you can go in A. Mudbray, C tier. Mudsdale, I hate. I hate Mudsdale for some reason. I'm putting it in burn. A plus, and I really like Palossand, so I'm putting Palossand in S. Silicobra, I'm doing C, and I'll do D for Sandaconda. I do not like the design at all. The Megaform can go burn. The Galarinuregus is cool, I guess, so I guess I'll put it A. I don't like you at all. You can burn too. Though the Blood Moon form is so good. I'll do A plus for Paldean Wooper. And I guess I don't really like Clodsire for some reason. I'm going B plus. Don't like Toedscool or Toedscool. I'm putting them D. Great Tusk is actually really good. I'm putting it A plus. Sandy Shocks is fine. These ancient magnets don't make much sense to me. I'm putting B plus for, and Iron Treads. I'm putting B plus. They're fine. They're nothing great. And Ting Lu can go in A. That should be fine.